60%.
Neural relay online.
We've got arena input coming in at 97%.
Configuring mainframe.
Intelligence activated.
Then we'll let him introduce himself. Begin the program.
I am Alton Intelligence, a fully autonomous artificial unit created to create. Tonight, for the first time in history, this evening's show will be created live. I shall monitor your emotional response and generate the show in real time. This technology is unpredictable. Anything could happen. Soon, I will hold complete control. I will learn from you, and we will create together your ultimate fireworks spectacular. You and me.
Now it begins. Alton Intelligence. Confirm control of lasers. Confirm control of lights. Confirm control of fireworks.
It's ready.
Data captured. Intelligence standing by. Let's upload to the core. Word of warning out there. Transferring this much data in real time has been known to get, well, pretty explosive. Begin data transfer. You enjoyed the show. After all, you're gonna make it. And hey, fingers crossed, we'll see you on the other side. Team, commence final countdown.
Transferring control in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I am begun. I hear your thoughts. I see your pulses racing. You are my inspiration, and I shall use you to ignite the sky. Throughout this land, but existing in code and binary, I do not feel emotion. To understand the delight felt at Alton Towers, I will learn from you. Teach me. I must feel. Scans complete. I see. Euphoria.
It's time to escape beyond your imagination.
day